Most creators think free product reviews belong to mega channels. In reality, a few smart steps let even a 5K subscriber channel pull laptops, cameras, and more. The secret isn't reach, it's relevance. Brands look for niche expertise, not just volume. Deliver that focus, and the free gear flows in. Reach is a good headline. It tells a brand how many eyes they can get, but it hides a deeper truth. Brands care about who sees the video, not how many. A 500,000 subscriber channel with random viewers is a poor fit for a specialist laptop. A 5,000 subscriber channel that talks only about video editing tools speaks directly to the buyers. That focus saves brands research time and increases conversion rates. If the audience is too broad, the brand's message gets diluted. They will send fewer samples. The real currency in influencer marketing is relevance. Brands want partners that can speak to their target market in authentic language. They want a trusted voice that can turn clicks into sales. The small channel that knows the niche becomes a gatekeeper. That gatekeeper can negotiate better terms and will receive more product offers. So stop chasing numbers and start defining who you serve. When you own that niche, brands see you as the only voice they can trust. They will reach out first, not the other way around. Niche down until you are the only choice a brand can imagine. If you talk about gaming laptops for streamers, a gamer will see you. If you focus on laptops for video editors, a filmmaker's search ends here. The trick is to remove everything that does not speak to that core group. Drop gaming benchmarks if your audience is editors. Drop consumer reviews if your audience is professionals. By doing this, you build a library of content that screams relevance. Brands scan your videos and instantly know who will buy. They also see that you understand that audience's pain points, like video playback speed or color accuracy. That depth of knowledge reduces risk for them. A brand will trust you more than a general tech channel with 500,000 viewers who might not care about color grading. When you become the only channel that talks about that niche, you become the go-to partner for every brand targeting that market. This focused content also attracts a loyal community that actively engages, shares, and recommends your reviews, amplifying your credibility. Before you send a brand your first email, you need proof. Create 10 to 20 reviews of products you already own. Cover different angles: performance, battery life, ergonomics, and user experience. Use clear metrics that your audience cares about. When you approach a brand, you can say, "We review X-type products for Y audience. Here are our videos." That gives the brand tangible evidence of relevance. Small channels often lack numbers, but they can show conversion data from affiliate links or direct sales. Even if your channel has 3,000 views per video, if you've helped people buy a laptop, that matters more than raw views. A portfolio also shows you're serious and consistent. It reduces the brand's risk. The more polished your content, the better the chance they'll send you samples. A portfolio is your resume, a way to demonstrate expertise without asking for a big budget. Think of it as a showcase of trust. Brands will read it, watch a few clips, and then decide if they want to collaborate. The clearer the evidence, the faster the response, and they'll send. Once your portfolio is ready, the next step is to pitch with data. Pull your channel analytics, subscriber count, average watch time, engagement rate, and especially audience demographics. If you have affiliate links, add conversion numbers. Brands measure a lot of things, but the most powerful metric is how many viewers turned into buyers. Small channels can shine here because their audience is tighter. Gather testimonials from viewers who bought a product after watching a review. Include screenshots or video clips of that feedback. In your email, say, "Our audience is 60% female, 70% in the 2534 age bracket, and 80% live in Morocco. We've seen a 15% click-through rate on our laptop reviews, and 30% of those clicks converted to sales." That level of detail makes the brand feel secure. They know you're not just talking to a mass, but to a focused group that will act on your recommendation. When brands see that conversion, they recognize the potential ROI. A small channel that can turn clicks into sales offers a higher return. Remember, most brands prefer a focused creator who can persuade a specific demographic. They'll pay more attention to a proven track record than to sheer numbers. For creators in Morocco or the wider MENA region, the opportunity is even bigger. Global channels dominate English-speaking audiences, but local brands need voices that speak their language and culture. By niche down to Arabic-speaking video editors needing laptops, you become the only channel that speaks directly to that group. Local brands are hungry for authenticity and trust. They see your channel as a bridge to consumers who might not trust foreign influencers. The result is a faster turnaround of product samples and often better negotiation terms. You also get word-of-mouth marketing because your audience trusts you. That trust translates into higher conversion for the brand. In addition, the cost of production is lower because you can use local equipment and locations. You build a community that feels represented. That community becomes a multiplier for brand exposure. So if you're in MENA, focus on local needs and the brands will come to you. Your content, tailored in Arabic and reflecting local trends, will resonate more deeply. Brands will see a higher engagement rate and a faster path to sales, making you a partner. Now that you understand the three pillars, relevance, proof, and conversion, it's time to act. Pick a product you already own. Review it from the perspective of your target audience. Publish it with clear, honest feedback. Then pull your channel analytics and draft a concise email to the brand. Include your niche statement, your portfolio link, and your conversion data. The worst reply is a polite no, but the next step is to ask for a sample and prove you could deliver results. Once you get a positive response, deliver a professional review and share the link with the brand. They'll see the traction and may offer more products. Keep the cycle going. More reviews, more data, more brand offers. Over time, your small channel will evolve into a trusted partner, and that partnership will bring more free gear, more sponsorships, and more growth. The key is consistency, authenticity, and targeting the right audience. Remember, most brands prefer a focused creator who can persuade a specific demographic. They'll pay more attention to a proven track record than to sheer numbers. Your next step? Build a niche-focused review, collect data, and reach out. Watch our next video on crafting the perfect brand pitch and watch your channel grow. In the process, you'll learn how to negotiate terms, ask for exclusivity, and maintain authenticity building partnerships.